I got the Tom Ford Quad in Hazy Sensuality a while ago, and I've yet to use it, so let's try it out together. I'm gonna open it. Comes in the brown leather-like sash, embossed with Tom Ford. The new quads apparently have a new Tom Ford logo. Let me show you, as opposed to former quads were just bare. Let's open this beauty. Remove the plastic covering. And there you have it. So as much as I hate to mess up the embossing, let's swatch these. So we'll begin with the top one, which, gosh, you could barely see. The second, getting a little disconcerted how light these are, especially on my light skin. We'll do the third. Obviously more bold. And then the fourth we'll do here because I'm running out of arm. So there you can see a bit better. Beautiful, beautiful. Now let's apply them. I am going to begin by applying Urban Decay eyeshadow primer just because they are so light. I'm a little worried they're not going to show up on me as much. I actually have somewhere to go, so I want to look. I don't want to just risk it. To be honest, I'm only planning on using 3 of the shades just because it's a daytime look, so I don't want it to get too harsh. I'm going to begin by applying this peach in the upper quadrant here. And I'm only going to apply it to the center of my eye. Other eye. I'm so bummed I'm only getting this out to you now, but it's just been hard to film lately. Life gets in the way sometimes. Next, I'm going to use my Spectrum KJH12, and I'm going to get the pink in the base. God, these are really sheer. Gonna move it up into the contour. And then inner eye as well. To do more of a halo eye. I gotta say, I'm kind of disappointed in how light these are. But Hazy Sensuality, it is hazy. Just to see, I am going to apply just a hint of water to this, my brush, and try, I don't even know if this is a wet dry palette, honestly, but let's try. If you guys know if this is a wet dry palette, let me know. See if we can get a darker deposit if we dampen the brush. Maybe slightly, huh? Now I'm going to take my finger and get the light pink here and just do inner I'll clean that up, no worries. And then just the center on top of that other, but I'm just doing the center. And I'm gonna kind of let it fade up. Up into the crease. For a bit of a, if you can see that, just a slight reflection. I wasn't really planning on using the brown, but maybe I will now. And I'm just gonna take a pencil brush. This is by Iconic London. And I'm gonna get the brown. And then just in the crease. Give a hint more dimension. It's a pretty brown. It's like a violet brown. Then I'm just fading into the corner a bit. Gonna get it again. Tap, tap. And this time I'm gonna do the lower lashes. And I'm gonna put my concealer on just for this reason. I'm gonna do my concealer and liquid liner and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and shocker of shocks, I thought, oh, this would go absolutely perfect with my brand new Chanel blush. Oh, guess what's missing? So there goes that. But I am instead going to do Dior Rosy blush, and I thought I would just go ahead and do that with you guys. I'm actually allergic to a red dye that's in a lot of pinkish eyeshadows, and I thought, oh, well, I'll risk it. But my eyes are starting to water, so I'm thinking I probably shouldn't have. But all in all, with the Tom Ford, they're pretty colors. It is more of a hazy look, so if you're okay with that, then go for it. I do wish there was just a little bit more color payoff. But, you know, Tom Ford usually makes more bold looks, so maybe it's good that he shakes it up a bit. So I'm not totally disappointed. I do wish I wasn't my eyes starting to water, but I'm not going to return it. I like it. So we'll see how I can use that light pink that I put in the highlight and then on the inner eye and then the highlight. I really like that one. That one's beautiful. It's got a little bit of sparkle to it, light pink. So I'll figure out some other things to do with it, maybe do some more looks with you guys, and we'll see what happens. So I'll finish my blush here, and there we have it.